No one has taken away anything. There is a sweetness for me in being apart. I kiss you now across the many hundreds of miles that separate us. I know our gifts are unequal, which is why my voice is quiet for the first time. What can my untutored verse matter to you, a young Destian? For your terrible flight I give you blessing. Fly then, young eagle. You have stared into the sun without blinking. Can my young gaze be too heavy for you? No one has ever stared more tenderly or more fixedly after you. I kiss you across hundreds of separating years.